So we have the first test of the Decauville with the wiring now finished. There's a lot of wires to stuff in the firebox. This is one of the batteries plugged in. There's another battery there. One in each tank. These are, what are they? They're 1500 milliampere hours. I reckon, according to my maths, each battery should last about 4 hours, providing steam and power, but we'll see. So one in each of the side tanks, and then the receiver and all the wires has to cram into the firebox. So that'll all be tight. There's a lot of wire to allow for splitting the thing and unplugging. That's why I've not shortened everything off. So what we have is this. Now this is giving a nice lot of steam. The one thing is there's not a lot of pause between beats. I've got 5mm magnets in the chuff disc. I may need to make a chuff disc with smaller, less powerful magnets to give a more defined pause. But we'll see. We'll see. That can be experimented with. But as I say, meanwhile, there's plenty of steam or water vapor, if you like, coming out. So that's nice. The motion is nice and smooth, which is nice. It's not going to be too heavy compared to particularly the Hunslet, which is quite heavy. I've not tested it with wagons, as you can see, because I've not got that far. So we'll see how much weight I can cram into it. Obviously, the heavier it is, the more drain there's going to be on the battery, pushing wagons about. Interestingly, although it's got supposedly the same battery, the same motor as the Tattoo, it runs quite a bit faster than the Tattoo, but it's or I think it does anyway. Yeah, it does. But you know, it's still very nice and acceptable for my purposes. So there we have it. Under the rear end there's a changeover switch, so I can just switch from one battery to t'other when one's tired. So I would imagine a full day's exhibition will use up both batteries, and that's absolutely fine. That's planned for. So there we go. We're kind of on the home straight at any rate, which is nice.